very beautiful piece of ham that I got from the store. Now we are going to start scoring them before we put on the cloves. Cloves really makes the ham taste good. We do it all over the ham. Now we are going to start putting in the cloves. Just like that. Just stick them into the holes that you made. We are making our ham a la Chef Francine. She loves to put a lot of cloves, more than this, on her ham before she bakes them. Now, it's time to cover our ham with peach preserves. I'd rather to use peach preserves than orange marmalade. Let's do it. Let's start on top and then we will spread it. Just go around and cover it with brown sugar. This will be really, really good. Now, our ham is ready to be baked for an hour and a half, uncovered. And this will be really, really good and juicy.